to make a DC stick welder out of 2 drill batteries, a couple of wire leads, and a jumper. First we check the polarity so we know where to jump. We're going to go from positive to negative. Now we have the batteries in series. This is going to be a negative ground lead, and this is going to be the hot lead. Now we're going to check the voltage across the 2 batteries. And it's almost 41 volts. We'll hook the ground up, put some safety glasses on, use a big piece of solder as a electrode. And let's stick welding with 2 batteries.